Okay folks, welcome back to Brownie's Midlife Adventure. I'm out and about this morning, going for a bike ride, middle of winter. It's about 25 degrees up here, beautiful weather. Going to do a long-term review on the DENALI SoundBomb, the horn I have on my bike. Have a listen to this. Alright, let's do it. Now it is a beautiful winter day up in the tropics of far north Queensland. It's about 30 degrees in the city and it's about 22-23 degrees going up the hill here, heading up to Lake Morris. We'll find somewhere nice on the side of the road and I'll do a review on this DENALI SoundBomb horn. Now why the DENALI SoundBomb? Well, there's nothing worse when you're in traffic, someone's merging across and you beat your horn on your bike and it goes beep 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 and they just keep coming. So I got sick of that. So I found these DENALI SoundBombs online. I thought that'll do for me. So now someone's merging across to cut me off in the traffic, I jump on that, scares the absolutely living the Jesuses out of them and they get back in their own lane pretty quick smart. Also great for wildlife, you know, especially at night time. We've got those Baja designed XL80s. I can see miles up the road, so I can see if there's any wildlife at night time. Kangaroos are easy to see, so I can just jump on the hooter and that tends to wake them up and scare them away a bit. It's also compact and small, that's the other reason why I like it. It just sort of hides on the bike, no one knows it's there, it just blends in. It's all black in colour. Reasonably cheap, reasonably easy to set up. I'm running it through the Hex Easy Can, just underneath the seat in the back of the bike here. So I can set that up a few different ways. I've got it set up so it strobes when I press the horn. So if someone is cutting me off and I hit the blower, that tends to wake them up a fair bit. This is Lake Morris up here. Beautiful little spot. Don't think I'll stop here, just coming up for a ride. Now I go back, find a nice grassy patch on the side of the road somewhere and have a good look at this DENALI SoundBomb. Okay, here we are up at Lake Morris Road. Lake Morris just over there behind us, but we'll get up close and personal, have a look at this DENALI SoundBomb, the little air horn I've got on my big red scooter here. Let's get in close and have a look at it, shall we? Probably a bit hard to see from here. It seems to blend in quite well with the bike, but where my finger is, that's it, right about there. So I've just got it clamped to the crash bar there, the factory one. There it is, hanging away. It's covered in dirt and dust and everything else. And I've got that connected to the Hex Easy Can, which is in the back of the bike. So I've got it so it strobes on the when I press the horn, the spotlights and everything else strobes at the same time. But it blends in quite nice. It's the same colour as the bike, so you know, when you step back you can't even really tell it's on there. And it's pointing the right way to scare the crap out of anything and anyone. Get it from this side. There we go. Now I'm just going to press the horn here. It's going to be quite loud. No, that was high beam. Press the other one, the horn, you twat. So you can see those lights strobe at the same time. Hence why I've come to do it up here, because if I'd done that at the car park at home, I don't think I'd be very popular with my neighbours. I don't know if the video does that justice, but that DENALI SoundBomb is crazy loud. And like I said, with those headlights strobing, it does kind of get the attention. Let's turn that off. It does get the attention of everyone, so it works quite well just to wake people up and let them know when they're cutting you off or doing something wrong. And like I said, great for wildlife. Anything jumping in front of you, or you can see up the road, you can give them a bit of a wake up and they'll usually scoot away quite easy. I've had that on there a bit over a year now and it's performed well. I never had a problem with dirt, dust and mud. It's been on the water a couple of times going through creeks.
and yeah, it's held up fine, no issues whatsoever. But yeah, so if you're looking for something to, you know, wake people up, get their attention, DENALI SoundBomb, that's the way to go. But yeah, just a short quick video, back from a long break, or busy month like I said, and might try and get out camping next week sometime and get a few more videos going again. Alright, short sweet video, DENALI SoundBomb, that's it. Have a look online, check out the links below, and if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and smash the subscribe button if you're new here and you want to see more of this stuff. Till next time, cheers, ride safe. Righto, I've got that about 30 metres away from the bike, so I'm just going to go hit the horn, give you an idea how loud it sounds, about 30 metres away.